There's my gosh. Let's go out. Where's my car key? My goodness. Ba yan? Ah, it's pretty. Better be safe than sorry. So, I have to stay in the car. Yung mga anak ko hindi nakikinig. We'll just wait until the ambulance or the fire truck comes. Let's see. And it's snowing. What the heck? Yung mga anak ko nandun naglalaro na pala sa labas. I see. Let's see how fast is the fire truck. It's been like 10 minutes going. Fire truck didn't came yet, so I'm not sure if they're coming or not. And others doesn't even listen. They won't go out their unit. So it's, oops, there you go. I saw the fire truck coming. Fire truck is coming. I heard it. Oh, there they are. Uh-oh. There they are. Oh, it's the police first. My. So police comes first. There they are. Sweet. Oh, what's going on? Oh my god. It's so loud over there. I wonder why they're not going out the area or the unit.
They said that some kid pulled the fire alarm.
Oh, a kid pulled the fire alarm? That's... They need to talk to that kid. Who is that?
The resident said that. I don't know.
Oh my gosh. That's not good. Maybe that kid over there. Ay nako, this kid, that kid, That kid.
Wow, in an event of a fire,
That-
at least she brought her Coca-Cola.
In case of emergency, she went out with her Coca-Cola. This kid. See? Now she kept running everywhere over there. Ay, 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 manay. It's so loud over there. Did Grandma even know that it's an emergency?
Yeah, I told her that we were going out.
There's the fire truck. Fire truck. Police car comes first before fire truck because they have to look on the place or the area.
Jazz.
She's standing there. She's standing right there on the top of the ice. Sara mo yun na. Ay naku. Ang batang. There they are, the first responders. There's the guy. Pumasok yung isang kwan doon. Pumasok siya. Well, there they are, going in. And then the police officer. And then yung anak ko nakatayo doon. Yan o, nakatayo. Ayan, ayan. Asaan? Turo ko. Bakit nawala? Ayan, yung dalawang anak. Nandyan. Yan, yung dalawang yan. My kids are there. There's the fire truck going. Now everyone's trying to go out. Good. That's good. And it's snowing, folks. Ang kailan nag-i-snow, merong emergency. Jeez. Also, it's false alarm, huh? How come they haven't looked everywhere yet and it's already false alarm? Or what? They have to look everywhere, I think, even though it's false alarm. Oh, there's 2 fire trucks already. There's the other fire truck there. Over there. You're all yung mga girls. My girls are there. Ay, ay, ay. Sumasayaw pa yung mga anak ko. Ay, ay, ay. Snowing out there.